INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to cleanse my hair, my braiding hair, Kanekalon hair before installing it. We have talked previously in the video about if you're having itchy scalp, if you're having a bad reaction to your braiding hair, that it is best if you cleanse the hair before putting it in. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I want to do some I want to do some spring twist braids, which I'm going to be putting in a couple of days. And so I got some hair from Amazon. So the hair that I am going to be cleansing today is going to be this Beyond Beauty hair. It is a very pretty textured hair. You guys have probably seen this a lot when it comes to people using this for their spring twist. And it's just this lovely textured hair. This is in a B27, so it does ombre out to a blonder color down at the bottom, and it's gonna look amazing when I install this. So you want to take your hair. I am going to use apple cider vinegar, and I am also just going to use some type of container that I'm going to soak the hair in. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so taking my container of choice, I am actually just going to go ahead and rinse this bad boy out really quickly. And then I'm going to fill this up with water, okay? While that is filling up, I am going to take my apple cider vinegar, and you can also use, like, I would say like a shampoo, a cleansing shampoo. I'm trying to debate if I want to give this a really good shampooing after, or if I just want to leave just, you know, vinegar, rinse it and call it a day, or throw some conditioner in it. I'm not too sure yet, but as long as I rinse the hair of whatever chemicals that is on it, I am fine with that. So this is some warm water. Okay, so we're going to turn that off. Now we're going to take the hair that we are going to use. So I'm not going to separate it out of its little bundle or anything. I'm going to leave everything tied together. I am just going to take the hair. Well, this one came out, so we're going to throw that one in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take it. I'm going to dip it. Pull it out again. Dip it. And then I'm going to let that sit in there. So I have 6 packs of hair, and I am going to do this to every hair that I have. I don't know if I'm going to use all 6 packs, of course, but I rather, you know, clean them all now just in case I need them. I actually need to use more than 3. Okay, so now that everything is rinsed, I'm going to pour this water out. And honestly, there's like no color to this water. So maybe that's a good sign that there wasn't probably too much of anything on this hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now after I rinsed it, I'm going to take each piece of hair and just lay it down. I am using a regular old t-shirt, and one of the bundles actually came apart, so I have to kind of be careful. Like I said, I don't want to destroy the hair before I even apply it, so we're gonna have to be really careful with this process not to frizz the hair up, because it seems like we're already encountering a little bit of some of that. Alright you guys, so that is how I cleanse the hair, and I am putting it to dry for a little bit before I use it for my spring twist. Stay tuned, I will have a full tutorial on how I do the spring twist, how I apply them, and then of course after I'm going to do a full review on my thoughts about the technique, and of course this hair, because this hair was raved about to use for the spring twist like on YouTube like crazy. Like people use this Beyond Beauty hair, and also to just it had a very lot of great reviews on Amazon. So I can't wait to actually try this hair out, use it, wear it, and see how it works for me. But if you guys have any questions about this method, this technique, leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video.